Alright, so I ordered this hitch and shackle. This is made by CURT, 13,000 pound straight line pole strength. And I gotta tell you, I was not expecting this to be solid metal. This sucker's heavy. And this is a 2.5 inch shaft. So we got a truck here, and that's what it's got. It's a 2.5 inch shaft. And what's nice is this will go in this way, or it's got a hole this on this side and that side, so you can also put it in here where the shackle's up and down if that's the way you need to pull. I use this truck for tying off the trees and pulling them so that when I cut it down, it falls in the right direction. So this would be nice to attach straps to. At any rate, it goes in there. And our lock attaches nicely. And the other way, this way, it sticks out just a little bit further because those holes are not. This hole obviously can't be at the same place both sides, so when you attach it this way, it's going to go through that hole. When you rotate it, you have to slide it in just a little bit further to get to that hole. But both of them work just fine. So this is going to be a welcome addition to the towing package on this truck.